The Amazfit Balance 2 has now been officially revealed to the public. This smartwatch is specifically designed for those who are passionate about fitness and want to keep track of their activities. Let me share some of its detailed specifications with you. It comes with a 1.5-inch AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 480 pixels. This is quite similar to the displays we commonly see in watches today. However, what sets it apart is its sapphire glass protection, which significantly enhances its durability and resistance. The watch weighs 42 grams, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear. Additionally, it offers water resistance up to 10 ATM, allowing you to even engage in diving activities without any worry about. The issue is that it operates on strains 5, enabling the installation of third-party applications. This feature is noteworthy, even though the current catalog is likely not as vast as what we might find on the Apple Watch or watches using Google's Wear OS. Nevertheless, it's great news that it supports installing these applications. Moreover, regarding the battery, it provides up to 21 days of autonomy with a capacity of 658 mAh, or up to 67 hours if you use continuous GPS. It features a new BioTracker 60 ppg sensor for heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and body composition, which is rare. Previously, Samsung devices mostly had this sensor, but now it's appearing in other devices too. This body composition scan shows your fat and muscle mass, helping you decide if you need to adjust any of these parameters up or down. Moreover, it supports over 150 sports modes, each with specialized features such as those designed for golf and diving. Additionally, I've mentioned that it includes GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, and even NFC, allowing you to make mobile payments directly from the watch in regions where this is supported. I want to clarify this because at present this watch has been launched in China. It is anticipated that it might eventually be available globally, but we must also be patient as it could undergo changes before. A bit more. The price announced for that particular region is 1,969 yuan.